Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Epidemic Sound on Mac. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your web browser and type down epidemicsound.com. Wait for it to load. Once you're in here, just go ahead over to apps right here at the bottom left. Then go ahead and click on Mac OS. And in here, download it for Silicon or with the Intel chip. Okay, just download it, follow simple prompts, install it, and once done, you're good to go. The UI will then look like this. You can just go ahead over to the top right and just log in with your account. Okay? If you want to know more about Epidemic Sound, go ahead and check our channel out. We've got a ton of videos for you. That's how easy it is to install Epidemic Sound on Mac. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.